Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial we are going to make crochet letter G for golf. That's how our letter looks like. This letter is very easy to make, no assembly required, perfect for the beginners as well, and it consists only out of 2 rows. If you're going to use 3mm crochet hook, what I've used, and as well double knit yarn, the size of this finished letter will be approximately 6.5 centimeters. As well, we will need scissors. Before we start making this letter, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can subscribe to my channel and don't miss any future videos. On the description below you can find a link to my blog where you can find a written pattern for this letter and all remaining letters as well. And as well, on the description below you can buy me a coffee if you would like to. You can find the link for this option available. And let's get started. We are going to start with chain of 23 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 and 23. We have a chain of 23 stitches. Now we are moving to row number 1. We are going to start our row number 1 with single crochet in the second chain. So we're skipping 1 chain and starting in the second chain. Single crochet. Next step will be increase in the following stitch. We did our increase in the following stitch. Now we are going to follow the sequence for 8 times, which will be single crochet in the next stitch and increase in the following stitch. So let's do first sequence together. Single crochet in the next stitch and increase in the following stitch. And we need to do this sequence for 8 times. As we did 1 sequence, you have left 7 sequences to do. So do 7 sequences of single crochet in the next stitch and increase in the following stitch. In total we will have 8 sequences like that. We did our sequences, 8 sequences of single crochet in the next stitch and increase in the following stitch, and now we have only 4 stitches remaining. In the next stitch we are going to do 1 single crochet. Let's do our 1 single crochet. In the following stitch we are going to do increase of 5 stitches. Let's do increase of 5 stitches. It will be 5 stitches in the same stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we only have 2 stitches remaining till the end of our row number 1, and we're going to do 1 single crochet in each stitch. Let's do 1 single crochet in each stitch. 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet. We finished our row number 1. We have 35 stitches in our row, and have a look how our letter G looks like. Let's put it into shape. A bit curly. That's our letter G after finishing the row number 1. We are moving to row number 2. We are going to start this row with chain 1 and we're going to turn it. Then we're going to do single crochet in the same stitch, single crochet in next 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then we're going to do in next stitch 5 stitch increase, so it will be 5 stitches in the same stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And now we have remaining 29 stitches till the end of our row number 2, and we're going to do 1 single crochet in each of them. We came to the end of our row number 2. That's how our G letter looks like. I am just gonna get scissors, and everything what's left, it's just finishing it off. If you are going to attach this letter to your project, leave a long tail for sewing. I am gonna leave short tail in this case, and I am just gonna finish it off. And that's it. Our letter G is complete. Looks a bit curly, but it can be easily straightened. So thank you for watching this video, and thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check on the description below on the link for my blog and written pattern for this letter and all other letters. And I am going to see you in my next videos. Bye bye.